Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. So easy conceptual learning by Saujanya. So here we are with another cubic polynomial. I told you like in the previous video regarding the synthetic division. So now let us learn about the algebraic division. I hope you might have learned this in 9th class. Okay, but still let us once recollect how to do the algebraic division. You can do in any methods, children. So there is no compulsion of the methods. But try to understand the concept how you should do it. Right. So the given equation is a cubic polynomial. Yes or no? Because the power is 3 here. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now as I told you, the first step of us will be by trial and error method to find out the first factor. To find out the first factor of the cubic polynomial. Okay. So let us find x is equals to 1. Now substitute 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. So what will be the answer here? 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. Yes, is that the answer? Yes. So this is plus. Now both the plus symbols you add. See, it becomes plus 12 and this becomes minus 12. So it becomes 0. Yes or no? So as you substituted x equals to 1, we got the 0. If we get the 0, that means this x equals to 1 is a factor of this cubic polynomial. Okay, so x minus 1 is a factor of this cubic polynomial. Yes. Now, as it is a factor, x minus 1 as a divisor, taking x minus 1 as a divisor, x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 as the dividend, divide. This is called algebraic division. What is it called, children? Algebraic division. Now see, this is not a number. It is not a numerical value in order to learn tables. Yes or no? This is a, see, it is a term, see, x minus 1, a combination of the variable and the constant. Now see, how can you find the coefficient? Take the first term of the dividend in the rough column divided by the first column of the divisor. So how many times will it cancel, children? It is x square times. Yes, because x cube means x into x by this is x. So when one x is cancelled, you will be getting x square. So write the number here x square. Multiply this quotient with each and every term of the divisor. So x square into x becomes x cube minus into plus minus 1 into x square. It becomes x square. Now as we are subtracting, in algebra you need to change the signs. That means if it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. And this 2 gets cancelled because this is having plus and this is minus. Minus 6x square plus x square. Two different signs subtraction. So if you don't have any numerical value here, it means it is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5x square. And the greater number is having a negative symbol which you have to carry it. And then you will drop with one term, that is plus 11x. Is that clear, children? Yes? Yes, hope you have understood. Again, the same procedure. The first part of the dividend, that is minus 5x square by x. So if you cancel that, you will be getting minus 5x. So that only you should include along with the signs, children. And you have, when you are multiplying, also you should multiply along with the signs. Minus into plus, minus 5x square, because 5x into x is 5x squared. Minus into minus, plus 5x into 1. So it becomes 5x. Now as this is a subtraction here, I told you, change the signs. Cancel it. Plus 11x minus 5x. Two different signs. So you need to subtract it. Yes. So 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. So 6x. Okay. 6x and the greater number is having plus symbol. So you write plus symbol there. Now drop down with another number which is minus 6. Is that clear, all of you? Now again the same procedure. First part of the dividend by the first part of the divisor. So when you cancel this, it becomes plus 6. So that only becomes the quotient, plus 6. Now 6 into x, 6x, plus into minus, minus 6 into 1, 6. So change the signs. When you change the signs, plus 6x minus 6x cancel, minus 6 plus 6 cancel. That means it is 0. In such cases where we are doing this algebraic division, in between, like in between finding out, when you are about to find out the things and you have already found the factor for it, if you are dividing with the factor, you will get 0. That is only the most important thing, children, because as you are dividing with the factor, you get 0. You won't get any remainder. Because this is the factor, it leaves a remainder 0. It is exactly divisible in that polynomial. Okay. So now see the quotient. What is the quotient here, children? Yes, x square minus 5x plus 6. Now you got, when you divided the cubic polynomial with its factor, you got a quadratic polynomial. So write the quadratic polynomial, x square minus 5x plus 6. Now come on, you have to do the same term of factorization. 1. So you have nothing. So 1 into 6 and minus 5. So 6 ones are 6. So write the factors. 1 6 are, 2 3s are, okay, again 3 2s are, and 6 ones are we get. So you need not repeat them. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. You are getting 5. Okay. And another one is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. And 2, now see, you may think why, because 6 minus 1 is a factor. But see, okay, let us try with this first. Why it why when two factors are having the same thing, how you should choose among themselves? See 6 minus 1 I told 5, but you cannot get minus 5. Why? Because see, minus here if you keep and plus, they should be subtracted actually. Yes or no? So two different signs you need to give. When you need to give two different signs here, when you multiply this minus into plus, it becomes minus. Minus 6 is not present here, no? Yes or no? So it is satisfying the middle term, but it's not satisfying the product of the extreme ends. So that is why you should not take this. So this is not taken. And then next 2 plus 3. Now see, if I write minus 2 and minus 3, because when you add 3 plus 2, you get 5. So I can have the same symbol, that is minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3, two same symbols, so you will get minus 5. And 2 minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus when you are doing multiplication. 2 3s are 6. Is that clear? So that is the reason now you have to choose this one. So write that one as a middle term. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Now split them. Write x into x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2. I already told you, when we are taking negative common out, you will have this positive can be written as minus into minus. Okay. Now as the brackets are same, x minus 2 into x minus 3. So after factorization, we got two factors here. So we got one factor here. So therefore x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 are the factors of the given cubic polynomial. Okay. So how do you factorize? So you can write this. How equivalently? See, x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Why? How can we write it like this? Because when you multiply these three, you get the same cubic polynomial. So when you multiply first two, when you take binomial into binomial multiplication, and then you take then you will have another term, last term. So when you multiply that completely, if you simplify that completely, you will be getting the same answer, same cubic polynomial. Is that clear, children? So hope you have understood this. So this is called algebraic division. Okay, so as I told you, this algebraic division is also very important, as well as synthetic division is also very important, because mostly 9th class students, you usually prefer the algebraic division because you have to know the algebraic division. Even 10th class children also need to some extent, but sometimes they use even synthetic division, which is not at all wrong. Okay, so whichever way is easy for you, you please follow that, and then continue so that see that you are not losing anywhere the marks. Okay, follow the process correctly. Okay, you can follow any of the methods, but see that you are not losing your marks and you are getting the correct answer. Is that clear, all of you? Yes. So thank you for watching, children.